Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide or unhide drawings in Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing is how to create an account on Tradingview. Now for you to create an account, the first thing I would like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar type tradingview.com, and once you're done doing that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and once you're done, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now to here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to hide and unhide drawings in Tradingview. Now for you to do that, you need to open up a chart of any market of your choice. You can head over to this tab and click on market and search for any market, or you can use the search bar to search any market. So right now I'm opening this market, which is Tesla, and I have my chart already open. Now for this chart, if I have a lot of drawings, a couple of drawings, and I just want to hide or unhide the drawings, I'll need to head over to the left navigation panel. So in this left navigation panel, as you can see, there are a couple of options here, which include you have this trend line, you have fib retracement, you have this pattern, you have long position, brush, you have text, you have the smiley icon, you have measure, you have zooming, you have this, you have the magnet, you have stay in drawing mode, you have local drawings and hide all drawings. Now for you to hide all drawings, just click on this eye icon, and once you click on this eye icon, all of your drawings will be hidden. Now for you to unhide these drawings, go ahead and click on the eye icon again, and you see that your drawings will be open. They will now be visual. So click on that and you hide, click on that and you unhide. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can hide or unhide drawings in Tradingview. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.